Hello everybody, welcome to CG Core channel. This video I have to create break particle into 3ds Max like Minecraft. So let's go to create it. First I create shape of break particle. It's just a plan and I copy it. I click shift and I have to copy it. I click shift and I drag it near of this and I scale it to be thin and I drag it out of this background. Now I have to open a plan and select its texture. Now I tiling it to be 6 and 6. Then let's open particle PF. I open particle PF source and I drag it up. Rotate it up. Before starting create break particle, I have to first open a box like block and select the texture for this. Maybe iron. I click none. It's famous to click it. And I animate it. I click set case and I drag it frame to be 25. I copy this frame and drag it in 25 frame and I drag it down. It looks like that it's invisible, but no, actually you play Minecraft and break some blocks, they will be invisible because it's break, and then you see particle simulation. Now let's making break particle. I set its size like block, but I drag it up again. I rotate it. But box is 20 and particle PF size should to be 20. I go to burst first to fix more problem. I change image start and it's 0. I want to write it 25. And for image stop I write 26. Amount is right. Position I send is fine. I must bring 3 operations. First is force. Under position Python. Second is collision under rotation. And last is shape instance instant shape. My particle view event 1 is fine. Before start I must bring to see that those are so special for you to make any particle and some simulation. First is gravity, also deflector. I forgot to make it group. Remember, make it group and write break particles shapes. Now let's go back to particle view. I go to force and click add and choose gravity. Now speed. Speed must be 144. Along ISON row. And you must write 100. Now rotation. Collision. Add your deflector. Go to speed and make it stop. And now go to shape instance. But before click group. And choose your model. These two plans. Now click geometry. Click shift and copy rotation. And install to collision and rotation I make it random horizontal. I bring delete and material dynamic. In delete I click by particle age and I write 26 to 10. Shape instance I go to scale and I write 31 to 43. Now I swatch it again for testing. Actually awesome. Texture 1 is good, but when it is collision to this on this plan, it doesn't have any texture. I open particle view, also material editor, and in material dynamic I drag it in none. Then everything's fine. Actually amazing. Actually amazing. Here you are. I could create break particle. Look like Minecraft. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed. And please comment, and if you like please comment in my channel because I love comment, and also tell me two problem that I can help you, and subscribe for more videos. See you soon guys.